Hello everyone! Welcome to Teacher Files! Sign up for your paperless US withholding tax documents following the steps below. Hello mga ka-homeschool! Welcome to Teacher Files! So today, ituturo ko naman po sa inyo kung paano mag-sign up sa paperless tax ng mga monetized channel na. So last December 14, nag-email po si YouTube sa mga monetized channel. So buksan po natin ang aking Gmail. So nakalagay po dito sa email, important, sign up for paperless tax documents by December 31, 2021. Hi there! Sign up for your paperless tax documents in ADSENSE by December 31, 2021. Access your tax documents online and help save trees in just a couple of minutes. So sabi dito, go to ADSENSE. Ano ba yung step-by-step na gagawin natin pag nakapasok na tayo sa ADSENSE? Sign up for your paperless US withholding tax documents following the steps below. Number 1, sign in to your ADSENSE account. Number 2, click Payments. Number 3, click Manage Settings. Number 4, scroll to Payments Profile and click Edit. Next to United States Tax Info. Number 5, click Manage Tax Information. Number 6, click Manage Delivery Preferences. Number 7, select Go Paperless and click Update Delivery Preferences to save. When will my tax info be available? You'll receive an email notifying you when your US tax documents are available online, starting January 2022. These documents may be helpful for requesting a tax refund, credit, or other local benefits where eligible. Note: if you have not yet submitted your US tax info or need to make an update, please do some by December 31, 2021. This allows Google to calculate your correct tax withholding rate and, if eligible, refund any differences. Thanks, the YouTube team. So para po ituro ito, pumunta na po tayo sa aking laptop. Hello mga ka-homeschool, nandito na po ako sa aking laptop. Open na po natin ang Google Chrome. And then, i-type po natin ang Google AdSense. Yan po. And then, sign in. Dahil naka-sign in na po ako, i-click lang po natin ang Google AdSense ko. Mararoute po tayo dito sa aking dashboard. And then, based po doon sa email ni YouTube, pag nandito na po tayo sa AdSense dashboard, pumunta po tayo sa payment na makikita sa left side ng ating dashboard. I-click po natin ito. Next, scroll up po natin. Makikita po natin ang United States Tax Info. Sa right side po, may makikita po kayong pencil. I-click po natin ito. Sa lower part naman po, makikita ninyo ang Manage Tax Info. Yung text po na nakakulay blue. I-click po natin ito. And then, mararoute po tayo dito sa Form W. Ito po yung form na finilapan natin before regarding our tax. Sa lower part po, i-click po natin ang Manage Delivery Preferences. May magpa-pop up po dyan na white box, nakalagay po US Tax Document Delivery Preferences. So, i-click lang po natin itong Go Paperless Recommended. And then, meron po diyang nakalagay na Paperless Delivery Agreement. Basahin lang po natin yan, scroll down lang po natin, and then after that, i-click po natin yung box. Nakalagay po dyan, I accept the Paperless Delivery Agreement. If okay na po, click natin ang Update Delivery Preferences. So yan mga ka-homeschool, we're done signing up sa ating paperless tax info. Napaka-convenient po talaga na intayin na lang natin ang ating mga tax update sa January through online. So mga ka-homeschool, kung may natutunan po kayo sa tutorial na ito, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell para sa aking mga new video updates. Thank you so much!